Let's get straight to the point. You can literally reprogram your brain to want to study the same way it craves endless scrolling on social media. But first, we need to understand what is actually happening inside your brain right now. Why can you scroll for 3 hours but can't focus on a textbook for 15 minutes? One word: dopamine. Dopamine is the feel good chemical your brain releases when it expects a reward. Your brain constantly hunts for it like a heat seeking missile. And here is the problem: your brain is getting an all you can eat buffet of dopamine from short form content. Every swipe gives you something new: a joke, a dance, a shocking fact, a cute animal, all in seconds. No effort required, just endless novelty and stimulation. Meanwhile, studying sits at the bottom of your pleasure scale. Why? Because studying demands effort before reward. It is slow, it requires focus, and the dopamine payoff feels far away compared to the instant hit from TikTok or Reels. So, what is the solution? It has two parts, and I promise you this works because I have seen it transform students who believed they were just not the studying type. Part 1: Reset your dopamine baseline. Think of your dopamine system like a volume knob. Right now, it is turned up too high. Only extreme stimulation feels good. Normal effort feels boring. We need to recalibrate it. Start with a mini dopamine reset. Not some extreme live in the forest for a month nonsense. Just small daily practices that slowly restore your brain sensitivity. Spend 15 minutes each day in complete boredom. No phone, no music, no stimulation, just you and your thoughts. Go for a walk without devices. Sit and stare at a wall if you have to. At first, it will feel unbearable. Your brain will scream for stimulation. That's how you know it's working. You are experiencing withdrawal from constant dopamine hits. After about a week, something surprising happens. Your baseline starts to drop. Suddenly, simple pleasures feel rewarding again. Your brain, starved from constant feasting, becomes grateful for a small meal. But this is only half the battle. Part 2: Make study more rewarding. Now you must move studying higher on your pleasure scale. Stop seeing your textbooks as torture devices. Start seeing them as treasure maps. Every page contains knowledge that can actually change how you see the world. Your brain loves learning. That's why you watch 5 psychology facts that will blow your mind. Studying is the same thing, just structured. Break your work into conquerable pieces. Put a check mark or draw a star after each section. This simple act of completion releases small dopamine hits. Use the Pomodoro method: 25 minutes of deep focus, then 5 minutes of rest. Your brain loves countdowns and clear challenges. Turn it into a game. How focused can I stay for these 25 minutes? Explain what you learn out loud as if teaching someone else. Mastery itself produces dopamine. Write notes by hand using different colored pens. The physical motion plus visual variety activates multiple parts of your brain at once. Connect what you study to things you already care about. Studying economics? Think about why your favorite brand just raised its prices. Learning biology? Link it to how your own body works every day. Curiosity replaces anxiety, and the experience completely changes. You are no longer studying for a degree. You are feeding your brain's natural hunger for understanding. I have seen people reach for their books instead of their phones during free moments. Not because they are superhuman, not because they are different from you, but because they rewired their brain to associate studying with pleasure. Start tomorrow. Study in 25-minute focused bursts. Give yourself small rewards after each session. In 2 weeks, you will notice the shift. In 1 month, you may actually crave your study sessions. Remember this: your brain is not broken, it was hijacked. Take back control of your dopamine, and you take back control of your future. If these science based strategies helped you, subscribe and share this with someone who feels trapped by distraction. We go from distracted to disciplined. Tell me in the comments, which technique are you going to try first?